Over the past 15 years, the crochet industry has grown by over 213% and is a multi-million-dollar market. All crocheters encounter problems with keeping track of their stitches throughout a pattern and having to undergo a very manual process to generate new patterns. HookSmart is a smart crochet hook that automatically counts the number and type of stitches used within a round. The hook stores this data to allow crocheters to see what they've completed, essentially generating a pattern, therefore avoiding miscounting or losing track of the stitches completed. This is a novel design never completed before in the industry, so craft with confidence and precision thanks to HookSmart.
Here you can see the hook, which was 3D printed in 3 separate parts that slide together. It uses 4 photoresistors to detect loops of yarn and features buttons for row counting, which are wired through a PCB and connected to an Arduino Nano externally. Upon startup, the user is prompted to calibrate the device to account for the changes in lighting conditions. First, the hook calculates the total ambient lighting, and then it prompts the user to place 1, 2, and 3 loops of yarn over the sensors to create benchmark loop values. This is a demonstration of the simplest crochet stitch, the chain stitch. As the user crochets, the HookSmart pattern generator outputs the stitches as they are completed. The circles in the bottom right corner represent the number of loops that are on the hook. The user is able to remove stitches if a mistake is made or reset the stitch count as needed. When the button on the physical hook is pressed, the pattern generator saves the stitches from the first row and moves on to the next row. The device is able to differentiate between chain stitches and single crochet stitches based on the loop sequencing pattern that it sees. Once the user is done crocheting, a text file is generated with the full pattern. Our future goals are to go wireless, have further size optimization, and be able to detect all types of crochet stitches.